Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use a Capital One virtual card in store. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your Capital One app on your mobile phone and go ahead, swipe down to, and then finally you will be able to access this option of a virtual card on below the special offers. Go ahead, tap on it, and you will be able to view your virtual card on top. All you have to do is simply tap on this again and see the virtual cards, security number, virtual card number, and etc. And then you have to access your phone's digital wallet which you use for all the online payments. Go ahead, go to that and simply tap on this add to wallet option. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to add your particular Capital One's virtual cards information and simply confirm it. Once you have verified and confirmed that, you will be able to, from next time when you choose your digital wallet, you will have the option of choosing Capital One as your payment method, and you will be done. That is the only way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.